do this crap. See how this new mic turns out. Still working on the cars. Okay. $3.50. Sorry, my car's a mess. By the way, we put the new dash on. We just need to put in the vents and some of the goodies. Sorry, my hands are a bit dirty because I was doing the oil change in my car. So I ordered these cute little straps right here. You see this? Hold on. I always have problems with this focusing. Okay. I ordered these cute little straps right here for my door. Well, for my, ew, my nails look disgusting. Ooh, girl. Anyways, for my door cards. Because what are you doing? Anyways, before I got video bombed, the door cards have these stupid handles right here, and I don't like them, so I'm gonna just play with this a bit. Ugh, these nails. Anyways, I also ordered this piece from LRB Speed, and as you can see, most of them come with this nice silver finish. Oh crap. It comes with instructions because, you know, a bitch don't know how to install shit. Comes with all of these. Comes with the little bolts and stuff. Oh my god, my nails. Sorry, they kind of bug me. And yes, they gotta get their nice promo going, of course. Got a nice LRB Speed die cut. I'll put that on somewhere on this car. Okay, so if you want to keep the boot, if you want to keep the old boot, like I said, excuse my dirty hands. Just remove these 4 bolts. This plastic part should come out, and the boot should come out with it. I've done it before, obviously. I bought this boot and just put it on this one. Okay, so I got the 4 bolts out. This should just pop right out. You see it right there, right there. And then the boot comes out. Oh my goodness. This joint is dirty already. And it was expensive. Anyways, because this is not the original boot, I had to make little slots on the side because that's where the original boot goes into. But, you know, just take that crap off. Okay. And bam! Miracle. Now, LRB has different models of these. This one is obviously for the AC heat unit thing. Then right here, radio, if you want a radio. They also come with the gauge slots on them. They come with 3, or you could just have the gauge slots and then that's it. Or the AC heat unit and the gauge slots with no radio. Stuff like that. I already came to terms with myself that I'm going to keep the AC and heat unit, even though honestly I have no AC and I've never even used the heat in this car, but I'm just lazy, man. Also, my gauges are already there, as you can see. Besides that, I was thinking of getting a radio, but I kind of don't want to. So I'm gonna I have this like black little container piece that fits right in here where I can store stuff. I'm gonna just put that joint in there, and that'll be like just fine for me, honestly. Okay, so let's get on with putting this baby on, right? Instructions are pretty simple. You have the piece right here. Actually, there was no point in me even taking off the plastic piece, but I kind of want to reuse it for some reason. If it's reusable, I'll use it. If not, I'll just store it just in case. But get this piece, right? And then oops, I'm fumbling all over the place. So basically there's these slots right here that go right at the top, so it would be these. I don't know if you can see that. Is that focused? So that would be these right here. Now your S13 should come with 4 screws right here by the AC and heat unit. So basically these are going to go here like this, and then you're going to screw on the top screw and the bottom screw, and then this middle screw, it's going to go exactly in this position right there, and it's going to go screwed on here. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Alright, so I'm struggling a bit because these instructions really like make no sense. So it brings it brings 2 long screws like this and then 2 small ones. Now the long one is going to be used, I figured it out, it's going to be used for the AC and heat unit, and then the smaller ones are going to be used for the clip here. And then the other small ones, the 4 go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the other 2 small ones go on these. So once I get those on, we're gonna continue. Alright, so another issue I'm running into is basically this clip doesn't really align properly with the little cut they did here so the screw could go in. So you basically have to force the screw in so it can grab onto some thread of the clip. But even then it's kind of, you know, pain in the ass because it should just align fine, but whatever. Alright, for these little nuts right here, just make sure to have your Allen wrenches ready, okay? It's too big. Isn't that too big?
Sorry?
It's too big.
It's not?
Yeah, it is. It's starting to get dark out. Oh, that's my mom. Alright, so boot is in. What I did is I tucked it under like this. Okay, so like I said earlier, you unscrew your screws. Right? Here's the screw. Oh, shit. It's getting cold, guys. Okay, so this piece basically goes in like that. It sits right there. And then let me just put the screw on the top so you can see. Basically like that. I lost the other screw, but I'll improvise, I guess, so it could stay in place. So let me just hand tighten that up in there. Okay. And then use this baby to make it nice and tight. Gang, gang. Oh, I think I did it a little too tight. Let me tighten that. Ah, sorry, it's kind of hard to film with one hand. I wonder if the other screw aligns there. Oh, it does. I think that's the only thing that aligns on this. I have this bag with like a whole bunch of screws that haven't been, I don't know, misplaced or some shit. I think this one fits, actually. Hopefully. Let's see. Ha! Fits. Oh, I had it the whole time. Alright, so let's just tighten those. One. It does. Okay. It kind of bends a little because they're too tight. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so both of those little plates are on. And like I said, these go right through here. Just to hold it in place. So let me show you. It would go like this, through this hole, into the other one. Like that, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so we're gonna fit this on here. I already fit it beforehand and the fitment sucks. Of course. Can I help you, child? What?
Why does that look off?
Because it is off. Dang, it got dark real quick. Okay, so just to let you guys know, there is some bending required. That is something that they do mention. But this is basically the fitment. I haven't put the screws in, but I'll do that later. Where's my chef knob? So I just wanted to show you guys what it would basically look like already on. Now I'm doing all sorts of dumb stuff right now because I can't see crap. I'm gonna put the flashlight of my phone on so you guys can see, but let me just put this joint on first. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is just put these two bolts in, and it should be fine. Oh god, talk about a long fucking process. Okay. Alright, so there she goes. Shift boot. Okay, so screws are in, everything's in. I mean, overall, out of 5, I give this a 3. It could have been better. Fitment is alright. Like I was saying, it's a bit like off right here on the edge. And it was kind of a hassle to put in. If there's a way LRB can make it easier, that would be great. Look who's calling. Jeez. Alright guys. Thanks for watching, I guess. Hello.